Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ, bringing you another video, and this video is on a Friday and we are frying up some empanadas. I have never ever fried empanadas so fast. I bought this new outdoor burner at Academy, and it's got like some kind of turbo propane, mega blower or something. It is super. I bought it actually because I was practicing for corned beef and cabbage, and I did a video on that too, or maybe I just posted some pictures. But we wanted to fry up some empanadas, and that thing fried up, got that oil up so fast. I was done. I'm done now. I'm like so surprised, like holy crap, that thing works fantastic. It fried up all of these empanadas, and I did probably a good 20 of them. So if you guys get a chance, do me a favor, look down in the description. I'm gonna post that thing. If you don't have one, that thing is amazing. That thing is good for frying. Ain't no doubt about it. Got the oil temp up really quick. Let me show you what these empanadas look like. Okay, that one looks kind of burnt in the camera. Hopefully it doesn't, but it's really not. It's just a little toasty. So, I mean, it got them done super fast. It's time to bite into one of these. I like eating my empanadas using Tabasco sauce. So, I'm gonna pick one out here, this side. Look at that beauty. Doesn't that thing look gorgeous? Wow, still nice and warm. I'm gonna crack it open. Yeah, crack it open right here, that way you guys can see it. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. That looks beautiful. Alright, time to put some Tabasco sauce on it. Hopefully I don't burn myself. There you go. Cheers. Happy Friday. Woo! That is, that's kicking in. That is good. That is really good. All right, just wanted to do this short little video frying up some empanadas. If you want to see the recipe, I'll put a link right here. So I did a full detail on how to make these empanadas. If you want to check it out right there. But besides that, look down in the description below. I'll show you a link to my website that carries my products. If you're interested in checking them out, go out there and check them out. Give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click that bell, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a beautiful weekend. Sayonara.